Hi crypto kings and queens, my name is Natalie and right now I am in two more positions on Bitcoin. I just sold the market around 56,500. Market is on its way down and I'm gonna explain to you exactly why I took this trade and where I think the market will come back down to. I can just give you a quick one right now. I do believe the market will come back down to 52k because that's where I also have one of my take profits. And on Ethereum, I will do the same thing that I did on Bitcoin in yesterday's video. I will show you how we can go back in time and see what actually happened before and how we can implant that, how the market is moving today on Ethereum. So continue watching this video. If you did enjoy the previous video that I had yesterday on Bitcoin, I'm gonna do the exact same thing on Ethereum. Remember guys, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first because maybe everything that I say can be wrong, right? So take your own decisions and take responsibility. Otherwise, just continue watching this video. We'll see how it goes with my short position on Bitcoin and what's happening on Ethereum right now. I am in two positions again on Bitcoin and I'm gonna show you what entry I took, and I just took it just right here around 56,596. I saw the market doing the fake out. Market comes inside and retested or below retest, and now I potentially can see market coming back down. Obviously, this is what we have to see. The last time I did this video, my take profit got hit. So that was a good thing. So right now it's the same thing right here. We did break this previous support that we did have, breakout, retest, continuation to the downside. So I have my targets. The first target that I'm having is around 54,000 and the next target is around 52,000. And that is because we are heading back down as always to the weekly Fibonacci right here. So combining my Fibonacci on the lower time frames to the higher time frames, you can see that my take profits is just where this lower time frames Fibonacci is giving me. They're just so combined with each other at 54,000 and 52,000, and that is why I'm using those as targets. So we just have to wait and see how the market is going to behave right now. We're also, if we're looking at the 1 hour chart, we do have a support right here that we're about to break. So just looking at this right now, not much, but I am in profit. We just have to continue back down, obviously. It is soon also New York session, so a lot of things usually happens when New York sessions kicks off, and especially from the overlap from London to New York. So we've already seen a lot of volatility on Bitcoin. You saw the fake out retest, and now the market will just melt because just looking at what's happening when we're having the fake out is that when we're breaking this level, a lot of people think the market will continue to the upside, but then the market actually just break to the downside. So a lot of people get trapped and the market goes back down. If the market goes down from here, it's a super good entry for me. Overall, I do believe that Bitcoin will continue back down. We can take this one away and just see what's actually happening. So on the higher time frames, we did break a strong level that we've been here before. We tried to break this before, but we came back down. We came inside of the support again. It never held as a support, so we did actually break it. You had the retest, you had the fake out, as I was talking about, and now we just might continue back down. So on this 4 hour candle that we've been having, we've had so many indecisions right here. Should we go up? Should we go down? This candle, if you were in a position, I can guarantee that you almost got stopped out, or you got stopped out because you're having such a huge wick right here. That is obviously if you had some over the orders just around this level that we're talking about. So Bitcoin, I do believe we will still continue back down. I'm not gonna change my mind when I'm talking about us coming back down to the Fibonacci level on the weekly, and I've been talking about this level for so many weeks right now. So we're getting closer and closer to it. And on the lower time frames, on the 4 hour, you do create lower lows and lower highs, and this could be when we're breaking this previous lower low and then has to break down and create the new lower low, I'm sorry. If you're just scrolling down to the description down below, we do right now have a bonus on Phoenix up to $4,100. Scroll down to the description down below, claim this bonus that we're having. If you're just pushing that button, you'll see that it takes around 30 seconds for you to sign up on Phoenix. Claim this bonus, and you can also use Prime XBT for day trading, super good platform for day trading, and you can receive up to 50% added to your deposit by using my promo code Bitcoinsensus 50. We can also take a look at Ethereum, because I had one requested me doing the same thing that I did on the video yesterday when I was explaining how Bitcoin is moving. So I'm gonna do that, a quick one on Ethereum. We had the same thing. So market did create a higher high, a higher low, higher high, and now Ethereum is also trying to create a new higher low for then might continue to the upside. And the targets that I'm having for Ethereum is around 3,700 and 3,800, 900. That's the Fibonacci levels that I'm having. Going back in time, if we're taking this one away and we're just focusing on what actually did happen last time we did have this scenario. So you created a low, market created a higher high, came back down, created a higher low, and then spiked to the upside. So what's actually happening, or did happen right here, is the exact same thing that's happening right now. So we're just using the Fibonacci again, and then we're going down to the lower time frames just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about if you didn't look at the video that I had yesterday. But it was a super good video where I explained how the market is behaving and what's actually happening right now. It's happening, or what happened before, it's happening again. Market is just doing what it's supposed to do. It's following market structure. Market has to do that. It does not matter if someone comes inside and manipulate the price. The price always have to correct itself. It doesn't matter how much it get manipulated. At the end of the day, the market has to correct itself. And we're looking at Ethereum. As long as we're inside or below this trend line, we are still doing lower lows and lower highs, and meaning that the market is on its way down. Going to the lower time frames, we could see when the market came to the Fibonacci level before, the market started to go sideways until we actually did break the trend line, market created to the upside. So this is potentially what I can see market doing. Market can do the same thing around this level. So when we're coming to the 50 and 61% of this weekly Fibonacci, I do believe possibly could start to see the same thing before we're actually breaking to the upside. We're breaking the trend line, continuation to the upside creates a new all-time high. So it's super good that we actually see what's going on, and when we know where the market could come back down to. So for example, me, now that I am in a trade or two positions on Bitcoin, it's easier for me to actually be in a trade because I know what target I am looking for. I know that the market but it's a high probability that the market comes back down to the 50 and 61%, because that is the reversal targets that I'm having. So for me to just trying to find sell opportunities and having these as take profits, and after that market will go sideways, it can try to fake you out. I can take short positions to sell from the support to the resistance until I actually see the market starts to create higher lows, breaking to the upside. And then we see the market having huge momentum from, for example, these levels, and then breaking of the trend. So that is why I'm looking, and that is why I'm pretty sure the market will continue back down. Looking at this right now, I am in two short positions from 56,500 around that level on this week, and I do believe we will continue back down. I hope you did enjoy this video. I have the sun right here from Sweden, and that is lovely. So I am super happy today. We actually just started to have snow for the first time here in Stockholm. No one really cares, but I just want to tell you that. Thank you again. Please subscribe to this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you liked it. If you did not like it, please hit the notification button when you're subscribing so you always have these daily uploads. So during this week, I'm gonna put up a video like this when I'm taking a trade, so you see what I see, and then maybe you learn something from that. That's good. Have a good day. I'm gonna have a good day in sunny Sweden, and we see each other in today's live stream or in tomorrow's video and tomorrow's live stream. Mwah!